Hi, my name is Caitlin Schmidt, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment, Module 1. A little bit about me. I'm born and raised here in Hays, Kansas. I graduated from Fort Hays State with my Bachelor's of Elementary Education in December of 2016. I'm a recent newlywed, so that's why my name is still Caitlin Hecker on Fort Hays. I'm still in the process of updating that, as we've only been married for a little over a month. My husband Chandler and I, we have 2 dogs. I have a beagle named Kirby, and he has a German Shepherd named Alba. I am a 5th grade teacher. I teach at Roosevelt here in Hays. It will be my 2nd year this August teaching at Roosevelt, but it will be my 3rd year overall of teaching. My first year I taught 2nd grade at another elementary school here in Hays. And I am pursuing a master's as a reading specialist. My work climate, I'm a Roosevelt Roadrunner, like I told you. Roosevelt is one of 4 public elementary schools within the Hays district. Roosevelt, as well as the other schools, we all have K through 5. Roosevelt has 3 sections per grade with an average of 20 to 25 students per classroom. Within Roosevelt, we have building and district leadership teacher committees. Some of those are our building leadership team. We have a foundations team, and then we also have a curriculum team that meets with other elementary schools and then reports to the superintendent. And within our school, data is used to guide instruction. My critical reflection of how our school uses data. We, as a 5th grade team, we really utilize the STAR reading and math. State assessments aren't looked at as much as they're at the end of the year, so it really only influences the middle school. We do utilize the Fontes and Pinnell reading levels that we gather from our Teachers College for our Readers Workshop. We also have some benchmark tests. Our Go Math curriculum utilizes the beginning of the year and the end of the year tests that we look at for growth, and the middle school uses it for placements. And then we also use iStation, which is a reading app that we monitor data. We look at their growth and see which areas the students are lacking in. Like I said, STAR reading and math is used for the ability grouping for math. We use it for our reading classes and mainly for our class placements for our students. The Hays District is in the process of completing their KISA evaluations. So within KISA, we really look at graduation rates and what can we do to better impact our graduation rates. Roosevelt is also in the process of utilizing EduClimber to track students' growth and assessment data throughout their entire school years. So once it's complete, we can look back to previous years to see how did my student do on the STAR reading in 3rd grade. We also have our SIT team. These are bi-weekly team meetings that are assisted with the school psychologist. We meet together as a team and we discuss interventions to assist with better instruction of our content for our students who are struggling. We look at all of our STAR reading and math, the reading levels, the benchmark tests to decide what can we do for these students. My critique of how I use data within my classroom. Obviously, I do my team meetings to decide student placements. Those are pretty heavy in August, and then we continue to meet throughout the year to look at how are the students doing. Do they need to be bumped up? Do we need to bring them down, just based off of the data we're collecting throughout the year? Running records, we use those throughout the year to adjust reading instruction for students' needs. Those are the Teacher College assessments to gather their Fontes and Pinnell reading levels. And this year we also have started utilizing curriculum coaches. So our reading specialist teacher, she is there to assist with reading curriculum to help personalize our workshop mini lessons based off of our class data. So again, using our STAR reading scores to look at where are my students struggling, what can I do to increase their performance. And my plan for improvement. Obviously, I'm going to continue my team meetings with my school leadership and curriculum coaches. Within those meetings, I know I need to ask more questions. What can I do to help my students? Definitely utilize more pre- and post-assessments to track student growth. This is something I definitely want to work on. Post-assessments are always easy, but those pre-assessments I would like to utilize more often. And then also district training as well as this AEP 858 data analysis and assessment course will help me become better. Our district has a lot of awesome STAR trainings that I want to utilize this year. They started doing them last year and I took advantage of some of them, but obviously I need some more growth. That's it for now. Thanks, guys.